Welcome to day one of Vibecoding. I don't really know what I'm doing yet, but today I'm starting this channel, and we're going to build something completely random, a dating app, but for dogs. So here's the idea. Swipe left, swipe right, doggy playdates, funny dog pickup lines. You get the point. I'll be using Kiro, Amazon's new AI IDE, to see how much of this it can build for me while I just vibe along. So for this app, I'll be using React Native. That way it can run on both Android and iOS without me having to build two completely separate apps. For testing though, I'll keep it simple and just use an Android emulator on my computer. It's quick to set up, it behaves almost like a real phone, and it saves me from having to constantly plug in an actual device. For this project, my goal is simple. I want the AI to do almost everything. That means I'll be giving it very minimal input, just telling it the ideas and the features I want and letting it handle the rest. Stuff like installing the app dependencies, running terminal commands, scaffolding the project structure, setting up React Native, Android emulator configs, all of that I want Kiro to take care of. My job is mostly guiding it and making decisions. I just throw in prompts and it does the heavy lifting. So let's get started building it. The first prompt I'll give Kiro is just to figure out exactly what we're going to build, a clear idea of the features, structure, and goals. Then I want it to create an MD instruction file so it can keep track of our progress as we go. That way, we'll always know what's done and what's left to do. Finally, we'll ask it to create the app and run it on the Android emulator, so we can actually see what we're working with and start tweaking things from there. I've sped up the video here so you don't have to wait for Kiro to complete all the tasks. We'll jump straight to the part where the app is ready and running on the emulator. Okay, so as you can see, with just one prompt, Kiro has already built the app, installed all the dependencies, and ran it on the Android emulator. Once it finishes completely, we'll open up the emulator to see the result and get a first look at what we're working with. Nice! As you can see, the app is working without any errors. Let's play around with it a bit to see where we currently are and get a feel for what Kiro has built so far. Everything seems like it's working so far. From here, we'll need to dig deeper, add all the features we want, and then move on to the backend. For the backend, we'll be using either Supabase or Firebase, depending on which one works best for our needs. If you like this video, make sure to stay tuned for the next part, where we'll be doing a lot more with the app. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.